Di ko gagalawin ulo.
Hindi ko gagalawin ulo ko. Okay na to.
So, hi guys, I'm Raniel, and today we're going to tackle about the 5 things I wish I knew before taking BS Psychology. So, let me introduce myself first. I am Raniel, currently BS Psychology student at Laguna State Polytechnic University, LSPU, Santa Cruz Main Campus. For today, we're going to tackle about the 5 things I wish I knew before taking BS Psychology. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell na rin po para mas updated kayo sa mga next videos ko. So without anything na sasabihin pa, let's get started! Over naman sa suntok. Kidding aside. Pero anyway, are you an incoming college student? Or maybe, ikaw ba ay nagpapalak mag-take ng BS Psychology? Or siguro, curious ka lang talaga ano ba yung mga dapat natin i-expect when taking the program itself na BS Psychology. If that's the case, this video is right for you. So before we start, let us define first. Ano nga ba ang psychology? Psychology is the scientific study of human mind and behavior. Pinag-aaralan po natin ng mga tao na kung saan nakapokus po tayo kung paano nga ba gumagana ang isipan ng mga tao, kung paano po ang mga tao ay nagbe-behave the way they do. Nakapokus po tayo sa utak ng tao. Bago ako mag-psychology, hindi ako masyado nag-research. Psychology is far more deeper than I expected. So that's why I'm making this video para na rin ma-inform and to educate the inspiring psychology student in the future. So, huwag na natin patagalin to. And here is the first thing I wish I knew. Number 1, may math major sa psychology. Talagang nung nalaman ko may math sa psychology, parang, Diyos ko po, kala ko talaga. Hindi ko alam. As a person naman, no, I expected na meron talaga mga general mathematics sa each program. But hindi ko naman na-expect na may math major ang BS Psychology. Like, OA naman. Over naman sa hingal. So, yeah, meron pong math major ang psychology. But don't worry, huwag kayong matakot. Dahil ang math po ng psychology ay mabilis lamang. Ang mathematics lang po na pag-aaralan sa psychology is about statistics. About lang po siya sa mga data collection na isa-summarize natin to create a conclusion. It is essential for psychology kasi po, research-based po ang psychology. So that's why meron po tayong statistics. So ayan, ito na nga ang ating best friend na scientific calculator. So magiging helpful po ito during your psychological statistics. Ito po ang magiging best friend nyo for the whole semester na meron po kayong psychological statistics. So that is the first thing I wish I knew before taking BS Psychology. So ayan, ayun yung una kong winish sa sarili ko na sana alam kong may math major when it comes to psychology. On the other hand, the second thing I wish I knew is that maraming basahin sa psychology.
No! God, please, no!
Yes, oo. Marami po talagang basahin sa psychology. And that is part of your program. Kung ikaw ay isang estudyante na tamad pa magbasa, ay nako, mag-aral-aral na. No, dahil sa psychology po, hindi uso ang tamad magbasa. So, kailangan masipag po tayo magbasa. Kasi siguro mga 5 libro ay...
Why are you running? Why are you...
Charot. Anyway, since maraming ang basahin po, so kailangan po masipag tayo magbasa. And also, dapat po hindi lang tayo nagbabasa. Iniintindi po natin yung mga binabasa natin. Dahil po, it will help us in the future, especially in exams, quizzes, tests. So, lahat po ng mga binasa ninyo, dapat ay naintindihan ninyo, hindi lang po ng utak ninyo, but sinapuso nyo. So, that is my second reason or second thing I wish I knew before taking this program. Pero anyway, this is the third thing I wish I knew before taking BS Psychology. Psychology pala, maraming research ay nang hindi ko alam. Kasi po, tayo po ay branch ng science and we rely po on scientific method. That's why marami pong research when it comes in psychology. And those research po are essential dahil po we just don't rely on our opinion, on our perspective, and psychology po is not a subjective program. Everything po should have an methodology, process ng research na gagawin natin. So, that is important in BS Psychology. Kung ikaw ay magtitake ng BS Psychology, now you know na marami pong research sa psychology. So, the fourth thing I wish I knew before taking BS Psychology is that marami po palang OJT sa psychology. Nalaman ko na meron po pala tayong tatlong OJT. So, the first one is the clinical setting. So, the second one is the industrial setting. And lastly is that sa educational setting. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na ang OJT sa psychology ay tatlo. So, grabe, no? So, this is the fifth thing I wish I knew before taking BS Psychology. Psychology is not all about memorization. Kasi po, before taking BS Psychology, sabi ko po sa sarili ko na, magsa-psychology na lang ako kasi magaling naman ako mag-memorize. Pero nung nag-psychology na po ako, it's not about memorizing a lot of things, a lot of books, kahit sa ulo mo yung buong libro, pero kung hindi mo naman siya alam kung paano i-apply in real life situation, so baliwala rin yung mga pinag-aralan mo. Psychology po is not all about memorization, but kung magaling ka mag-memorize, it's good for you. But in psychology po, yung mga bagay po na inaaral natin is that kailangan naiintindihan po natin and i-apply po natin siya in real life situations. Kasi po, more likely ang ating mga quizzes, exams, and tests ay mga situational and should know na yung mga bagay na yon ay kaya mong i-apply in real life scenes or situation. So, yun lamang po, no? In conclusion, psychology po is hard program po, no? Dahil po, we are based on science and we rely on scientific method. When taking BS Psychology, no, it requires a lot of skills na kailangan mo talaga mahasa or matutuhan while studying the program itself. The first thing na you need to know is may math major na maraming basahin, maraming research, maraming OJT. Psychology is not all about memorization. So ang dami talagang realization nung nalaman ko na ang dami palang ganito sa psychology. And ayun, dahil nga mahal na mahal ko kayo, I want to educate everyone, especially before taking BS Psychology, kung ano nga ba yung mga dapat nating expect before taking this program. So, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng aking video. If nagustuhan niyo po talaga tong video ko, please do like, share, and subscribe po sa aking YouTube channel para po mas ma-notify pa kayo sa mga susunod po nating videos. So, yun lamang po. Maraming salamat and bye! I love you guys!